Hello everyone. Today I cancel my fishing. I cancel my fishing because uh, local fisherman using net as tool for fishing. Look at there. Look at that. See, three fishermen using net to uh, to catch all the fish at here. So they catch the fish using net, and they got so many fish. And I am using this fishing rod. Have not got fish yet because always complicated with the net inside the water. So I stop fishing, and local fishermen made I cancel my fishing activity here. So I have to find other place for fishing. Okay. See? Okay, see you next video. They got so many fish because using net. See? So because the local fishermen fishing using net, and I cancel my fishing and find out other place for fishing. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video.